Hi there guys, again it's me Tom from On The Road and got another tutorial for you. I think I've been mainly doing like Shopify Flow tutorials, Shopify app tutorials, but I haven't really done any theme customization tutorials, so it's been requested a little bit and I thought I'd just do a really quick and easy one for you, just to get started. But then again, if you've got any suggestions, please leave it in the comments below, sorry. But yeah, I suppose other than that, let's just crack into trying to install some sort of engraving / input field option on your product page, and then getting that data into the order dashboard. And then also I've got a bonus feature near the end of showing you what you can do with that data. So let's jump into a page that I want you to all have, which is Shopify UI elements generator. We want to go to line item property. You've got different options here. We're going to do text short rather than like checkbox or anything like that, just because it's going to make more sense for our case study. We're going to change the label to engravings. Engraving. Don't know what the proper terminology. Engraving name. It doesn't really matter too much, to be quite honest. We're going to do it as required and show at checkout. So required means they need to make sure this is filled out, and then show at checkout they get to see what they've inputted throughout their customer journey. All kind of makes sense and kind of what we want for this case study. Brilliant thing about this page is that it generates code for us. All we have to do is copy to clipboard, then go into our store, then go to edit code. And now what you want to do is find your form fields. So your form fields will look like, I've already done an example here. We're going to take that example out and just kind of show you what you're looking for. So these are your form fields. So your form fields are either going to do, if you do Command F, depending on what laptop you're on, or Control F, get the search bar. So you either want to be looking for this, or you want to be looking for this. Most likely nowadays with modern themes, it's going to be this. And then right underneath it, you just want to copy and paste the code that we've just got. I'm going to save that. And I'm going to preview that. So there we go. And we're going to go Tom, add to cart. There we go. Engraver name Tom. Fantastic. So let's check. Go to checkout, complete that purchase. Do a test order. So we're just going to use the test data here. Pay now. No, thank you. And that order's gone through. So that's basically that, and we can see that's all worked, which is brilliant. But let's just go into the order dashboard and check that has gone through. So go to the most recent order, and perfect. So this snowboard has gone through. That's the SKU. Obviously it's made up SKU, and then obviously the engraving name, which is Tom. So you can, fulfillment center can sort that out. Obviously your fulfillment center might, or whoever does engravings, let's say, might want to be notified when a product like this has come through. So let's go back onto our product page just for later on. Get that ready. And where we're going to go now is to set up some sort of notification for your fulfillment center. So we're going to go to, and if you haven't already downloaded this app, please download it. It's amazing and it's free, and I'm getting no commission, or it's not my app, it's actually a Shopify app. It's called Shopify Flow. So we go to Shopify Flow, create flow, and we're going to use the flow trigger order created. And what we're going to do here is send, I'm just going to name it, so I'm going to give it an appropriate name, send internal email received. Misspelled that. Engraving. So orders created, that's going to trigger. We want to set a condition. So if order, and we want the line items. So line item is, you probably already know, but I'm just going to clarify this just so it all makes sense to you. This is a line item, so the snowboard. So if line item custom attributes key, the key is going to be equal to engraving name. So if at least one of the line items has at least one custom attribute which is equal to engraving names, then we want to send internal email. So we're going to send that to received. And then what we can do is add a variable to this email, order, and we just want to know the order number, which is order name. Turn on workflow, and what we're going to do is just come out this workflow so we can see when it runs. Make the same order again, check out. So the order's gone through. We refresh this page. Moment of truth. There we go. Just now, run status completed. What are the results? Send internal email. We can delve into that a little bit more. Address. That's the address we wanted to go at. That's the subject header. That's the message, the order number, shop ID. So if I show you just quickly, just to prove that's gone through, go to my emails. And where's the camera? There we go. Internal email sent and received. So yeah, that's just kind of an insight of what's possible with customizing your theme and then using Shopify Flow with that. Hopefully it might give you a few ideas and also pass on those ideas, and hopefully I can do a tutorial for you. So yeah, hope this tutorial has helped, and please give us a like and subscribe.